Hi, I'm Phil Probst. I'm the owner of Family Farm.
Hi, I'm Jay, and we'll give you a tour of Family Farms. This is our seed warehouse. We are dealers for specialty hybrids. They deal specifically with seed in our area in Michigan and Indiana. This is some of the seed that we have here. We'll get this from the dealership, and we'll take this seed and plant it in the ground, and this is what goes for feed for animals, production of other things that everybody uses in their day-to-day life. Mainly the seeds we have here are corn, soybeans, and alfalfa.
This is our shop, and where we store all of our extra parts and work on our equipment. This is a piece of equipment is a sprayer that we will use to apply fertilizer and chemicals onto the seed we're planting. And this is the planting tractor that I will run myself. This is where our day-to-day operations take place. This is where we can work on our paperwork, keep track of all of our records, and also work on our soil sampling. This is a soil grid of a field, and this will tell us exactly where to apply fertilizer and sprays when needed.
This is our cattle nursery. We get the cows in here when they're anywhere from about a day old up to about a week old. We'll raise them up, feeding them milk with bottles, and then move them onto buckets and feed them milk out of the buckets. And then when they're a little bit older, then we move them to grain. They'll go in a pen back there until they're ready to be castrated and vaccinated, and we'll move them to a different barn.
After the cows leave the nursery, we bring them over into this barn. This barn, they eat hay, water, and feed, and they are monitored on how much grain they receive in a day. Once they get to be 500 pounds, we move them to that side, and then they're on full feed, full water, and full hay. We raise these steers up to between 12 to 1,500 pounds, and when they get to that size, we will sell them for beef. This is our chickens in our chicken pen. They'll go in the door every night. We'll have to put them in so they stay safe. And then inside this door are the weighing boxes, where every night and every morning we'll pick eggs. This is just one of our fields that we will be getting ready to get to plant here in another week or two. This field's actually going to be planted into sunflowers this year, which is new for us. Produce the sunflowers for bird seed, and also this is some of our hay that we make. We make a large amount of organic hay that is shipped all over the United States and feeds horses and cows.
These are some of our finished products from the steers. If someone wants to purchase these, a lot of times they'll get a hold of the farm and we can set up a sale. Ground beef here being probably one of the most common cuts, and then chuck roast over here.
This is a John Deere D tractor. It's a 1927. It's very rare, and we're going to use it for parades and hay rides this summer. Why is a farmer's job important for Sturgis, Michigan?